Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can create kids account on Audible. Well, it is quite easy. All you have to do is simply open the application and then make sure that you are logged into your account, and then from here you can simply tap on your profile right here. So after doing that, here you can get the option of create a kids profile. All you have to do is simply tap on create a kids profile and then tap on create a kids profile one more time. Then all you have to do is tap on discover kids title. So from here you can simply choose any type of audiobook that you want. You can scroll down a bit. You can see this is the included in membership option. You can see there's like kids Audible originals, classic tales, and many more in here. And in here you can also see this is the trending audiobooks. You can simply tap any of the audiobook that you like. And in here you can see in order to listen to it, you'll have to buy yourself the premium account for Audible. So after buying that, you can hear all of the audiobooks of kids that you want. Here you can also get the pricing of it. You can also tap on add to wish list, or you can simply tap on give as a gift in order to send it as a gift to other people. And just like this, you can go back. We'll get to the main page of our account, and here you can see this is the option of manage kids profile. If you simply drag this arrow right here, you can see we have successfully created ourselves kids account on our Audible. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.